Greetings, you gorgeous garden gnomes. It is past Halloween, and I have a bunch of pumpkins that I need to process because I want to eat the seeds. And now, rather than just chopping them up and harvesting the seeds out, I thought I would do that watermelon trick. So I went and spent $10 on elastics, and we're going to see how many elastics it'll take to explode a pumpkin. Let's get to it. It's making a lot more noises. Oh! Oh my gosh! Holy smokes! Okay, that was pretty good. Awesome. All right. I've got a bit of a mess to clean up. I'm going to get a bowl to put these seeds into. So this was actually one of my favorite, I'm sure many people's favorites activities during their childhood around Halloween was, well, carving the pumpkins, but then harvesting the seeds and roasting them up and eating them. One of my favorite snacks to have. So if you've seen our other video on composting, we'll actually have another one coming out probably next week. Little update about the compost. It'll be our first turning of the compost. But pumpkins are huge sources of nitrogen. So if you're trying to hot compost and it's not getting as warm as you would like it, have a look around your neighborhood for some pumpkins that are waiting for the city to come and pick them up, and grab them for yourself and toss them in your compost. Try to chop them up a little bit so that there's more surface area for those bacteria and fungi to take up residence, and that'll get your compost pile really nice and hot. I think I'll definitely do that again. That was a lot of fun. You guys got to see me jump. I don't know how high I jumped, but that pumpkin definitely exploded. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing me get scared by a pumpkin. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and help support this food security mission that I've started. I help people start their own backyard farms throughout the city of Kawartha Lakes. All of it is done for free. So if you can help us get monetized, or we do have a GoFundMe. I'll leave a link in the description below to our GoFundMe campaign as well as our Instagram. If you can support us in any way that you can, share our content, tell everybody that you know what we're doing, and we can create a food secure community, city, province, and maybe even a food secure Canada.